sports or free-to-play footballs. Let us foster environment that is something that purpose of the country.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Christian Muslim Democrats, Alejandra Ahmed Jimenez, Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats, Estrada, Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats, Izquierdo Al-Premier Rasul, Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats, Jokari Salib Malin Sarail, Kilusang Bagong Lipunan, Shaki Kilusang Bagong Lipunan, Asaali Rogelio Tulawi, Kilusang Bagong Lipunan, Sapayani Sahiron Tao, Kilusang Bagong Lipunan, Tan Edsir II na government staff and employees, and of course, Honorable Den Salim, I saw him from afar, and to M by Almo Sagitan from the Commission of Elections, sir.
Police courtesy to all everyone, my colleagues, public and security sectors, we will necessarily of the executive pledge. Please, candidates, rise up. Please rise your right hand and we acknowledge the flag. Panata para sa ligtas, tapat, maayos, mapayapa, makatotohanan, makataunan, kalala. Ako ay responsableng kandidato. Iginagalang ko ang proseso at susunod ako sa mga batas at alituntunin ng pangangampanya at eleksyon. Nirerespeto ko ang aking kapwa kandidato. Hindi ako magsasabi ng kasinungalingan, lalo hindi ako magpapalaganap ng maling impormasyon na makakalason sa isip ng mga mamayanan. At magpapahina sa kanilang tiwala sa proseso ng halalan.
And after Mayor Estan, please get ready. Lieutenant Colonel Christopher G. Gensola, the commanding officer of the Secretary Infantry Battalion, Philippine Army. There you have it. Thank you very much. Please get ready. Please get the Colonel Alejandra Sali, the Chief of Police for the Government Operations Officer of the Municipality. The candidates. First off, may we have the mayoralty candidates. Gonzales Alcid Estrada from Kilusang Bagong Lipunan and Tan Edsir from Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats. Thank you, sir, for my back. Then after Sir Edsir Rekan, may we have the Vice Mayoralty candidates, Shun Ismael Gula Aday from Partido Federal from Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats. Then following Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats, Izquierdo Al-Premier Rasul from Lakas Christian. Also, hiyang hari sa ligmanin sa langit, ilusang bagong libunan. Senato, Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats. Muhammad Lamin Anlahi, ilusang bagong libunan. Usaari Henry, ilusang bagong libunan. Thank you, sir. Commander Al-Chief speaking as Representative Vice General from the Philippine Coast Guard, Western Cebu.
Thank you.